Click on the link below to get price. The Lowrance ActiveTarget2 Module, along with its transducer and mounts, is a game-changer for avid anglers looking to enhance their fishing experience. This innovative technology provides real-time, high-resolution imaging of underwater environments, which is crucial for understanding fish behavior and habitat. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the well-designed mounts that come with the package. The transducer integrates seamlessly with compatible Lowrance fish finders, and the step-by-step instructions ensure that even those less experienced with tech can set it up without hassle. Once installed, the ActiveTarget2 offers a significant upgrade over traditional sonar, allowing anglers to see live images of fish movement and structure in various conditions. What truly sets the ActiveTarget2 apart is its ability to provide multiple viewing options. Users can switch between forward, down, and scout views, giving a comprehensive perspective of the underwater landscape. This versatility is particularly useful for targeting specific species or adjusting strategies based on real-time data. The clarity and detail of the images are impressive, making it easy to distinguish between different types of fish and structure. Moreover, the ActiveTarget2 is engineered for durability, with a robust build that can withstand the rigors of outdoor use. The transducer's design minimizes drag, ensuring that it performs reliably at various speeds. This is a significant advantage for anglers who typically scout areas while traveling at speed. One of the few drawbacks is the price point, which may be a bit steep for the casual fisherman. However, for serious anglers who prioritize technology and accuracy, the investment is worthwhile. The insights gained from the ActiveTarget2 can lead to more successful fishing trips and a better understanding of fish patterns. In conclusion, the Lowrance ActiveTarget2 Module, along with its transducer and mounts, is an invaluable asset for those dedicated to improving their fishing prowess. Its advanced technology, ease of use, and robust features make it a must-have for serious anglers.